Wow. Look at this giant tree that came down from the storm, the last storm we had. Wow. So beautiful though too with the moss. I decided to come out to Shaw Woods today, among other places. And we're just kind of surveying the damage from the last storm that came through. The wind was unlike anything that I've heard in years, actually. And so I'm taking videos of a bunch of trees that got knocked over. It's pretty, like, I know I'm wearing my hat, but it's probably about, I don't know, 13 degrees today. It was just very windy outside of the forest. We were standing by some lakes earlier looking for some birds. And yeah.
Why have to just cut it all off? Tip over.
It's like a tree graveyard in here. Clearly they had to do some work with the chainsaws. Like everywhere. There are a lot of trees down.
What is it?
This is interrupted fern.
Maybe those are kids making that noise.
The forest is just a mess of trees down. Oh, look, there's more rocks. How? Animal life. Wildlife. How did the landscape look 10,000 years ago? Nice.
I can try this.
Oh, look how bright green the moss is. And lichen, of course. It's so funny. I've been to Shaw Woods so many times. And I've seen quartz spit. I've seen the old growth trail has a lot of these big boulders in it. I haven't been all the way up this trail that has like the signs for every little plant up here that you can see. Oh my gosh. Did you see this big white pine? It has got another tree stuck in the middle of it. What? Oh my gosh. Majestic. Snowberry. Whoa. Yeah, it's funny. I've never come on this trail before. Like, this done the start of it. I didn't know it went this far. And there's freaking gorgeous rocks. Strawberry. Nice striations on that rock. Ironwood. Interpretive little trail. A butterfly fairy. So either a butterfly, a moth you saw, or a furry aphid. A furry aphid. Furry aphid? I thought they only came out in the fall. I could be wrong though. But yes, they do look like fairies. And it's a mess of branches here. Oh, more branches at my feet. We're following the signs. Oh. It got attacked by the storm. Yep, that's pretty broken.
That pretty broken. What is this shed?
Showy mountain ash.
Showy mountain ash. Okay.
The trees are creaking. And I'm really wanting to hear see that northern flicker. Where'd it go? I see you. You're going up high, buddy. Oh.
Yep. Bye,
Pretending
guys.
to be a bird. Look at all the gusts. You can see the gusts blowing across the pond.
Oh, gosh.
We came up here, and when I was at the bottom of the pond, I saw some. Oh, it looked like a whole bunch of eagles circling above, but there's a high school class up here, so lots of students all at once. They probably flew away. But it's nice to see all the kids getting out into nature. We're hearing a lot of birds right now, so I'll post the recordings from the Merlin Bird app. Phoebe! It's too bad I can't film that far with my phone, but there was 2 little Phoebes on that tree. I think they flew down now. There's the blue jay. Video. On the way up for the cliff?
Yeah.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
Only a little bit of pink. White and pink.
Yeah, look at this. There he is. Doggy.
Don't go in there yet. Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
Don't scare him.
What you looking at?
Akush, don't lean on me, honey.
I'm under it. There's a bunny.
Bye, Froggy. See you next time we come for a walk. So cute. And now we are below Shaw Dam. Want to go up again? We're going up again. See lots of little crayfish down here, usually in the rocks.